Okay, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7 of mobile computing, mobile IP. So let's proceed for your articles what to we cover in this chapter, mobile IP. First one is overview, working with mobile IP entities, mobility agents, components of mobile IP fixed features, mobile IP fixed address types, mobile IP fixed address scope, and mobile IP operation. So first is your mobile IP. What do you mean the mobile IP? Now mobile IP is internet protocol, is a communication protocol created by extending internet protocol that allows the users to move from one network to another with the same IP address. It ensures that the communication will continue without user session or connections being dropped. So next is your working with mobile IP. What are the terminologies used in these mobile IPs? First is your mobile node (MN). It is the handheld communication device that the user carries, that means cell phone. Home network, it is a network to which the mobile node originally belongs to as per its assigned IP address or home address, home network. And home agent HA, it is a router in home network to which the mobile nodes was originally connected. Next is your home address. It is the permanent IP address assigned to the mobile node within its home network. Foreign network, it is the current network to which the mobile node is visiting away from its home network or foreign agent FA. It is a router in foreign network to which mobile node is currently connected. And the packets from the home agent are sent to the foreign agent which delivers it to the mobile node. Next is your correspondent node CN. It is the device on the internet communicating to the mobile node. Care of address COA. It is the temporary address used by mobile node while it is moving away from its home network. Next is your home link HL. The link that is assigned the home subnet prefix from which the mobile node obtains its home address. Foreign link, a link that is not the mobile node's home link. So these are the terminologies used in this mobile IP. Here how the mobile IPs work. Now here the first is your, this is the remote host or the CN, right, remote host, and this is the home network. That means when the mobile is the first is your register under its home network, and this home network, that means whatever the mobile, that is the HLR home the location register where all the data of the mobile user is be stored in this HLR system. So when the corresponding node send a request to this home network to a mobile phone, first is a home network search whether the mobile is present in its home network or not. If it is present, it's okay, fine. The data will directly transfer to this mobile node. If it is not present, that means it will be change its location. That means from moves from another location. That means it is in the foreign location. So what will be what will be the process? Now when the mobile is transferred to this another network area, or you can say it is the foreign network area, that means the foreign network area retrieve the data right now from this home network to identify that whether it is a register mobile or not. Clear? So when the data is sent to this home network and the node is not present under the home agent or home network, home agent means the home router, then it will search that where the node, right? In that time foreign node is also send an information to that their home node. Now the mobile phone is present under this network area, right? So immediately data will transfer to this home network to foreign network through this particular channel, right? This is the your terminal, and through this terminal the data will transfer from home network to the foreign agent. Okay? Next, these are the working principle. Now correspondent node sends the data to the mobile node, and data packets contains correspondent node's address, source, and home address destination. Packets reaches to the home agent, but now mobile node is not in the home network. It has moved into the foreign network. So foreign agent sends the care of address to the home agent to which all the packets should be sent. Now a tunnel, right? A tunnel will be established between the home agent and the foreign agent by the process of tunneling. Next is your tunneling establishes a virtual pipe for the packets available between a tunnel entry and an endpoint. It is the process of sending a packet via tunnel, and it is achieved by a mechanism called encapsulation. Because data will transfer through an encapsulation process. Encapsulation means data is your 1 minute. Okay. So So encapsulation means data is sent to the encoding process. Because that means the third person or another person suppose try to retrieve the data from that area. It is a security for the security reason it is encapsulated. So now home agent encapsulates the data packets into new packets in which the source address is the home address and the destination is the care of address, and sends it through the tunnel to the foreign agent. Now foreign agent on the other side of the tunnel receives the data packets and decapsulates them and sends them to the mobile node. So mobile node in response to the data packets received sends a reply in response to foreign agent. That means when the data packet transfer from this home agent to the foreign agent through this tunnel, the data should be the encapsulated process, right, for the security reason. Clear? Next is your key mechanism in mobile IP. First is your agent discovery, agent registration, and the tunneling. So what is the first thing? Agent discovery. Agents means here router advertise their presence by periodically broadcasting their agent advertisement message, and the mobile node receiving the agent advertisement message observes whether the message is from its own home agent and determines whether it is in the home network or foreign network. That means frequently all routers are sends or periodically broadcasting their agent advertising messages, right? That means from that broadcasting you have to confirm that whether the mobile is present in its home network or in other network. Next is agent registration. Mobile node, after discovering the foreign agent, sends registration request to the foreign agent, and foreign agent in turn sends the registration request to the home agent with the care of address, whatever discussed already. But then the tunneling, it is established a virtual pipe. It is not actual. Tunneling means a virtual link for the packets available between a tunnel entry and an endpoint. And it is the process of sending a packet via tunnel, and it is achieved by a mechanism called encapsulation. And it takes place to forward an IP datagram from the home agent to the care of address. Whenever home agent receives a packet from corresponding node, it encapsulates the packet with source address as home address and destination as a care of address. So that is known as the tunneling process. And these are the mobile IPv6 features: larger address space, scalable, and generally nowadays the IPv6 is generally used. Fixed header format, router header, security extension, anycast address, encapsulation, quality of service, right? Next is your mobile IPv6 address types: unicast, multicast, and the anycast. In unicast address is identified as a single network interface. A packet sent to unicast address is delivered to the interface identified by that address. Multicast address is used by multiple hosts called as group, acquires a multicast destination address, and these hosts needs not to be geographically together. If any packet is sent to this multicast address, it will be distributed to all interfaces corresponding to that multicast address. Anycast address is assigned to a group of interface. Any packet sent to anycast address will be delivered to only one member interface. So these are the unicast, multicast, and the anycast address. Next, the address scope. What are the mobile IPv6 address scope? Link local. Packets with link local source or destination address are not forwarded to other links. In other words, it can be used between nodes of the same link. It cannot be routed. Site local. Packets with site local source or destination address are not forwarded to other sites. In other words, it can be used between nodes of the same sites. It cannot be routed outside the site. Global. Packets with global address can be forwarded to any part of the global network. So link local packets with link local source or destination address are not forwarded to other links. That means it will be, its scope is on the local side. That means transmit within the you can say site, that means within the same site. Site local means site to site, but not the global. But global means from the all the scope area or from the all the surface. Clear? So thank you all about that. Chapter number 7, very small chapter. Next I am going to discuss about chapter number 8. Okay, thank you to all.